What if someone told you you could have the power to learn anything? Well, you can. There's a whole world for us to explore. The sky, land, but my personal favorite, the oceans. Let's take a look inside an interesting part, the coral reefs. These coral reef ecosystems are home to over 25% of ocean life, some including turtles, clownfish, starfish, coral, and even sharks. You may be wondering, what's so fascinating about these ecosystems? Well, I got a lesson for you. To get to know the whole structure, you have to understand where it started, the coral. While many mistake it as a plant, coral is actually an animal that is closely related to a jellyfish or an anemone for having the same type of soft body. The outer part of the coral is called the calcium carbonate skeleton. It is built from the animal inside called the pulp. The pulp is responsible for growing, feeding, and protecting the coral that they made, and they do this by using some of the different parts of the coral, including the tentacles, mouth, stomach, and so many more. Because of these pulps reproducing and dividing, we have an underwater ecosystem called the coral reefs. These ecosystems are almost always located in tropical warm waters, such as in Fiji, the Philippines, and more. Because of their warm and shallow climate, they provide other species with great protection from deep-sea predators. Another exciting part of coral reef ecosystems is how they protect us and our land as humans. Firstly, coral reefs are extremely effective in protecting coastlines from tropical storms. They create a barrier limiting levels of flooding, erosion, and storms in the coastal areas. Another example of why they're important is because they are actively being used as ways to help humans with medicine. They bring in a variety of species as well as themselves, which have led to treatments for cancer and other medical diseases. Recently, science have noticed a large number of coral reefs becoming bleached. This means that environmental factors can be affecting the pulp, forcing its shell to be exposed and leaving their colorful outsides to turn white, no longer providing other species with the necessary things that they might need, destroying their home. Over 84% of the world's coral reefs have been impacted by this, and it will continue until increasing rates of climate change slow. So, the next time you visit an aquarium, or even take a vacation to somewhere tropical, remember how coral reefs play a huge role in keeping not only you, but thousands of other species happy and healthy.